this one, 3 axis and shock. Then you have to fix it here. Rotate from left, right to left. And now it's like this. Then another thing you have to do is to open the 3 axis and shock. Slowly. You go amaguru urafungura ngo ibashe kuba ihagaze nyine iri stable. Yeah, hanyuma hano you have the screen. All right, guys, good morning, hope you guys are doing well. On today's video we are going to unbox Gimbal Smart X2. Okay, you can see it clearly. So I chose to box this gimbal because the one I had before, Flip 5, it was not that much good than I expected to. So uyu munsi rero nahisemo kugira ngo dufatanyirize hamwe dufungure gimbal. This is tutorial. I'm going to show you how to unbox and set up Gimbal Smart X. Hope you guys can see it clearly. So before we open it, this gimbal has a 3 axis anti-shake, which we can call stand amaguru. It had even the light, the LED light, screen indicator, and this gesture controller. It has what we call AI face tracking, which means when you're recording yourself like at home, you can set it up somewhere and then you can do all your movement. It will be taking you wherever you go. Izajya igukurikira buri hantu hose ugiye. Nicyo twita AI face tracking. So if you take App Creative app, it has its own app. You can find it on App Store and Play Store. So to Android users and iPhone users, you are safe. This app to help you easily use this gimbal, you will find it on your store. So another thing, it has a intelligent gimbal moves. Yes, and built-in extension rod. It is not just a gimbal, but it can also be a stand. You can open up it like for 1 meter or 500 centimeter, and compatible with different accessories. This gimbal, you can use it when you are using Android phones or iPhone. So let's start and open it. It is from AOCHUAN company. AOCHUAN company. This is the company that made this gimbal. Niyo company yayikoze, niho yaje ituruka. So gimbal ni gutya bimeze. My God. Simply your creation. You can see. So this is it. This is so the gimbal inside is like this. Hey, Gucci meze. And then this is 3 axis amaguru stand, and there is also the gimbal. Yeah, gimbal is right here. Yeah, see the handle. Gimbal, this is axis. This is called 3 axis and shake, which is like hamaguru. This is a USB charger for it. Ndakeka ko ari catalog ushobora kugufasha mu buryo bwo kuyisetinga up. So yes, ariko nta kindi kintu gisigayemo. It was all this. So our gimbal, and the switch is right here. This is the charging point, charging port. And what is this? Designed by AOCHUAN. Is this okay? User objective, yeah. And there is a QR code here. You can use your QR scanner to scan the code, and then it will take you automatically into Play Store or App Store in order to download its app. As I told you, it has its app. You can find it on App Store and Play Store. Yeah. So this is the gimbal. And now a tricky thing which is here, nkuko tubimenyereye ku zindi gimbal, hano iba ifite buro ufungura, ariko iyo ntayifite. So what you do is you bend it one time. Yes, here we are. So this is the gimbal. Oh my God, it's beautiful. The color is a white, but if you don't like white color, for some reason it may be dirty, you can order black one, but me, I chose white. Yes, so right here on this gimbal, this is the switch. This is the switch. This is the switch. Switch on. You see? Our gimbal now is switched on. The battery is full charged. You guys, you can see it. And when you want to rotate your phone while recording, while taking videos, you will use this button written on M. You see, it's changing, but because there is no phone attached here, that's why it's coming back. But when you want to take on landscape mode, you will use this one. If you want to bring on portrait mode, you will also do this one. Okay, hope you guys know. And this button right here, while you are recording your videos, or your content, you will stand somewhere. But if you want to take this side, if you want your phone to take the left side like this or like this, without you moving, you will use this button. Wait, I show you. This is the button. Sometimes it will not work because I didn't connect the phone right here, but this button uses the phone. Like when I'm recording this way and I want to record this way without me going like this or coming like this, I will automatically use this controller to take this side and this side. So this is it. Another thing I want to tell you, the charger is type C. When you're going to charge, you will use type C, but I recommend you to buy to go to your nearest shop to buy a better charger, which is type C, and you can charge it right here. Biba byiza kugura indi USB itari iyi ngiyi izana n'izi gimbe, kuko zikunze kuba atari ama original cyane, ukajya kugura indi ifite nka watt 25 watt, it can charge it quickly. So this is the charging point. It only comes with the USB. So the test I have been doing, nakundiye i gimbal It is strong, it is easy to use, it has AI face tracking, and the battery, it has a long life battery for sure. That's why you can buy this one for your content. When you go to event, you can take videos for more than 2 hours. Body kirimo umuriro kabisa. So it has the long life battery, which is better. And another thing, as you can see on this video, it is not only gimbal, it can also be a stand. This is what we are going to see. A stand, you will push here. You will take your gimbal in hand, then you touch here, then you can pull up 1 time, pull up 2 times, pull up 3 times, pull up 4 times. So urabona ko iguha n'indi option y'udusantimetre kuba ushobora kutwifashisha ikaba yamaze guhagarara. It is only gimbal, it sometimes change into stand. So this is it. This is how to set up your Gimbal Smart X2. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful, please like it, thank me in the comment, subscribe on my channel, and share with your friends. And I'm telling you, this is one of the best gimbal you can buy and order. Yeah, I bought it in China for $75 from China. So I don't know where you are watching from. You can tell me in the comment. But when you want to buy this one, this is the type of the gimbal you need to buy. Yeah. So thank you very much for watching. Be blessed. Mugire ibihe byiza. Iyi gimbal nayiguze amadolari $75. Bikeneye njye nayiguze mu Bushinwa, wambwira tukayodaringa, cyangwa se ukaza no kureba iduka rikwegereye. Nagiye ngerageza gukoresha indimi z'amahanga nk'icyongereza, kuko njya kuyisetinga bwa mbere byarangoye, kuko nasangaga abantu benshi bakoze content ari Abashinwa kuko ituruka mu Bushinwa. That's why nagiye ngerageza gukoresha icyongereza, kandi nkagerageza no gukoresha amashusho ku buryo bugaragara kugira ngo birusheho nyine kumera neza. So wakoze cyane kureba iyi video, nibyo navuze haruguru mu ndimi z'amahanga. Niba wakunze iyi video, uyilayikinge, unanshimire muri comment nyine ko nkweretse uburyo ugomba kuyisetinga. Ikindi wisharinge no ku bashuti bawe bateganya kugura gimbal, bahitemo this type of gimbal Smart X2. Ni gimbal nziza cyane ifite battery iramba. Nagusaba nyine ko nawe waza kuyigura kubera ko ntabwo uzigera ubyicuza. Ikindi ahantu hari tricky ni ahangaha mu kuyizinga no mu kuyizingura. Reka tubanze tuyizimye, hanyuma twongere tuyifunge, ubundi duhite dusoza. Yes, hano iba ifunze neza cyane. Nuko dusoje rero, ubwo uramutse nawe uyikeneye waza kuyigura. Yego, this is it. Yes, thank you guys. Iyi ni imwe muri gimbal ushobora no gukoresha muri podcast. You can use this gimbal during record your content in podcast. Thank you for watching, and if you need to set up a podcast studio, you will see the video I did before, installing this microphone, sound card, lighting, background light, all is in this YouTube channel. You can find it in my playlist for podcast setups. Thank you very much.